Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to rotate your laptop screen back to normal. So there you can see my laptop screen already rotated, and I want to back this screen on normal way. So how can I do that? So let's begin our video. So just you need to take on your mouse or mouse pad, then right click on your mouse, and then you can get this option. You just need to go on the last second option. There you can see display settings. You just click it, and then you can get lot of option. You just need to select this option, display orientation. Just select it, and then you need to select first option. Just select first option, then you need to select keep change. That's it. Now crop it, and then there you can see your laptop screen already now it's normal. So in this way you can reset your laptop screen normal. So thank you everyone.